Do you have a pregnancy ultrasound coming up and you're wondering what's the best way that you can prepare for it? Here's some tricks. Hi, my name is Jenny Crone. I own Hey Baby Mobile 4D Ultrasound based in Rochester, New York. And today we're going to talk about the best way that you can prepare for your pregnancy ultrasound. I'm a sonographer. I've worked in doctor's offices, hospitals, and I own my own business. And I can tell you that the most important thing that you can do for your ultrasound is to be well hydrated. Yes, they do ask you to have a full bladder many times when you do your pregnancy ultrasound, which allows us to get the best images at the ultrasound. However, being well hydrated doesn't just mean that the morning of your ultrasound appointment you start chugging water. It's quite the opposite. You should be hydrating for several days prior to your appointment. What this does is it allows the water that you're drinking to stay within your body. It makes everything be much easier to see through because the ultrasound beam can see better, faster, and more clearly through fluid than it can through just body tissue. So when you are well hydrated, your baby is also well hydrated, which means they have plenty of amniotic fluid. Side note, when you become dehydrated, amniotic fluid is the first thing that your baby loses. Amniotic fluid is very, very important to your baby, and we'll touch on that in another video. But it's very important that you stay hydrated so that your baby is hydrated. When your baby is hydrated and has plenty of amniotic fluid, it allows your sonographer to be able to evaluate all of the anatomy that they are looking for at that ultrasound appointment. Every appointment has different criteria of what they would like to see. So the more hydrated you are, mom, the better the imaging will be of your baby. This especially goes for those 3D and 4D face pictures towards the third trimester of your pregnancy. You want to have plenty of amniotic fluid because when there is fluid in front of the baby's face, we can get those beautiful face pictures. Something else to consider when you go in for your ultrasound is to wear appropriate clothing. So, the tight-fitting pants, we want nice, loose pants. The reason for that is because they're not just going to scan the little roundness of your belly. Sometimes they have to actually get down lower, way down into your pelvis to get the images of your baby that they need, especially if your baby is in a position where the anatomy is just sitting low in your body. So be sure that you're wearing loose-fitting pants or loose-fitting shorts. You can even wear a dress or a skirt, and that will allow the sonographer to go ahead and be as low as they need to be to get those ultrasound images of your baby. I hope this helped you to prepare for your ultrasound coming up. Congratulations on your pregnancy, and I hope that you found this video helpful.